Hi babes, happy Sunday. Today we are braiding the alphabet N. So I start off with a box. I am going to share into three parts, but the middle section is slightly bigger than the left and the right hand section. You can see just slightly bigger. So I am going to section off an angle at the top and at the bottom of the middle section, just like this. When you section that off, clip it away. It is not going to be included in the braid design. And when we are done, use a braiding gel if you need to slick it down. I did not bother to, but it's going to make it look better. So now it's time to braid. We start from the left hand side at the bottom, braid all the way to the top. When you get to the top, try to ensure you braid all the way to the end of the top before you turn into the middle section, and then you braid through the slant down. Again, braid all the way to the end or the edge of that section before you turn into the next section. It is going to prevent your braid design from having like curves where you need like a pointed end, a pointed tip. If you braid all the way to the end of that section, it is going to help that point to be more pointy and not curved. So this is so easy. We are almost done. Remember, we started braiding from A B C D E F G H I J K L N L M N. So the next one is going to be O, and we continue all the way to Z. I have some popular braid designs here like flowers, hearts, butterflies, stars. All of them are on my channel. Recent clear high quality videos. Watch those, leave a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.